Hey y'all, happy Friday Eve. So I'm coming on. Happy Friday Eve, y'all. So I'm coming on. I'm making a real quick salad. I got some grilled chicken, smoked chicken cut up. I'm not going to use this barbecue sauce. So I got that, but I shredded my lettuce, chopped up my tomatoes. I got just a little cheese. I don't put too much cheese. It takes the flavor away. Some avocado to make it a little healthy. And I got some canned Thousand Island, one of my favorite Thousand Island sauces. And what I use today, I use these tortilla wraps. There are 16 of them. And they're 15 total carbs. Can y'all see that? 15 total carbs, 11 dietary fiber. So the net carbs is, what, 4? Okay, 4 grams of net carbs. Okay, and so what I did, I took them and put them in the oven inside a small saucepan. That's what they came out looking like. They small, but we're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. And I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to put these together. Basically, I'm gonna put the, can y'all see? I'm gonna put the lettuce. Now, when you get this in the store, at this barbecue spot, they give you a big shell. I'm just using a small one. But you put your salad inside the shell. It's good like this too. I break my shell up and eat it as I'm eating the salad. That's how I do mine. Of course, you want to wash your hands first, y'all. All right. Okay. Put my lid on my lettuce. And the reason why I didn't mix the lettuce and tomato, I always end up having a lot of lettuce and not enough tomatoes. Like I could never get enough. You know what I'm saying? Get it spread proportionally. So I just do it this way. Now I might mix them up later after I do this. My son may not want the avocado. So I'll put that on mine. He don't have to have it. But this, the texture is a little, I don't like the texture, but this is, it's good for you. And then once you put it on there and mix it, you can't even really tell. Y'all, actually, let it even on there. So for the chicken, all I'm going to do is break it up because I really like it to be crumbled up. So, I like it kind of shredded, but they just did it sliced. But that's fine. I can do it myself just like this. If you want to cut it with a knife, you can, but we're eating this in my house. My hands are clean, so I'm going to do it just like this. If you want to, you can put eggs on top, strawberries, apples. I actually love strawberries and apples in my salad. It's really good. You could do bacon bits. I don't think I have any bacon bits. And that's it. That's our meal for the night. Alright, something quick, a little healthy. And that chicken is cooked to perfection. That breast is so juicy. And that's really all you need. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all. Now for me, I like to put a little, because I don't like nothing that tastes raw. So I like to put a little Tony's on mine. And a little black pepper on my salads. It's not a whole bunch. Then I'm going to put just a little bit of cheese. That's enough. Now we'll put some cheese on it for my son. I think when you end up putting too much cheese, it takes away from the taste of your salad. like overkill, you know. All right, y'all. I ain't gonna keep y'all. I just wanted to show y'all how I make me a little salad. Now at the barbecue spot where I go, this salad like this is like $8. But I paid $12 for this meat, but I have enough for 2 or 3 more salads out of it. All right, y'all. I just wanted to stop by, show y'all that. On my lifestyle change journey, I could put green onions. I do have some, but I don't. It's been a crazy week at work. I don't feel like food. I'm just gonna be honest. But I wanted to try to fix something healthy as opposed to getting something already cooked, y'all. That's why I did that. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching. Much love. Bye.